In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets. Whether you're organizing data for a project, sharing information with colleagues, or simply tidying up your various files, learning how to copy a sheet to another spreadsheet can be very handy. Let's dive in and walk through the process step by step. First, open your Google Sheets document and locate the tabs at the bottom of your screen. These tabs represent the individual sheets or pages within your spreadsheet file. You'll want to identify the specific sheet you wish to move or duplicate into another spreadsheet. Once you have that particular sheet in mind, position your cursor over the tab's name. This will prepare you for the next step. Now, with your cursor hovering over the tab, right-click to bring up a menu of options. This menu includes several actions you can take, but for our purpose today, you'll want to find and click on the option that says Copy to. Selecting this will open up another set of options that allow us to decide where exactly we want this sheet to go. At this juncture, you'll be asked to either copy the sheet into an existing spreadsheet or create a brand new one just for this information. If you opt to send it to an existing spreadsheet, you'll need to select that specific file from your saved and recent documents. It's important here to make sure you've selected the correct destination, especially if your Google Drive is full of documents and spreadsheets. Otherwise, if you prefer to start fresh, choose the option to create a new spreadsheet. Google Sheets will automatically set up a new file for you and place the copied sheet inside. And there you have it. Once you make your selection, give it just a few moments and Google will take care of the rest, moving or duplicating your chosen sheet into its new home, be it an existing or brand new spreadsheet. It's truly that simple and efficient. Along the way, remember that copying sheets in this manner ensures that all your data, including formatting and formulas, remains intact, which can save you from a lot of potential headaches. However, bear in mind that any linked data or connected sheets might require updating to ensure everything functions smoothly in the new setup. So now that you know how to easily and quickly copy a sheet to a different spreadsheet in Google Sheets, you can streamline your workflow and ensure your data is exactly where you need it to be. Thanks for watching, and I hope this has been helpful. Keep exploring all those neat features of Google Sheets. Until next time.